Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix volume keeps going up and down on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your computer or laptop volume goes up and down suddenly on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you need to click on the start menu, then type here settings. Click on settings. Here you can see you need to scroll down a little bit. After that you will find troubleshoot. Just click on the troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see playing audio. You just need to click on run. And it will detect if there is any issue with your audio drivers. If there is any issue, then click on next and it will troubleshoot this. After that, just close this window and check whether the problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Just right click on the start menu, click on device manager. Here you can see audio input and output. Double click and expand, and you have to select your device and click on update driver. Just click on search automatically for the drivers and close this window. You need to do same for this also. You can see you will find your sound, video and game controller. Double click and expand. You have to select your device, right click and update the driver and click on the same. Search automatically for the drivers. After that, still you are facing the issue, you can try the third method. Again you have to click on right click on start menu and click on device manager. You will find your audio input and output. You just need to select right click on your device and click on properties. Click on driver and click on rollback driver and click OK. You have to do same for this your sound, video and game controller also. Click on properties. If you find any driver, you have to do the same for that also. After that, you can try the final method. Just right click on this your sound icon, click on sound setting. You have to scroll down a little bit. You can see here more sound setting. Click on this. Click on communication. In this you can see here do nothing. Just click on this and click on apply, then click OK. And close this window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix volume keeps going up and down on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.